guys, welcome to Coffee Chat with Mrs. Cox.
Hey, what day is it, Mrs. Cox?
It is Hump Day.
Yeah? But what else is it?
Worthington Wednesday.
Yeah, but what else?
Wacky Word Wednesday.
You're right, but it's also
April Fool's, where we're fooling around with some science in Mrs. Cox's kitchen. What is heat? I know this cup of coffee contains heat, doesn't it? Wrong-o. Actually, object cannot contain heat. However, it does contain thermal energy. Let's learn about thermal energy. Nom, 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 nom. But first, let's talk about temperature. What is temperature? Temperature measures how hot or cold something is compared to a reference point. Now, what is a reference point? It's like the boiling point or the freezing point. And this relates to how much kinetic energy there is in an object. That's absolutely awesome. Well, no, actually, it's absolute zero we're talking about. And this is when scientists performed experiments, drawing heat from a warm substance to a cooler one. Actually, we use 3 scales to measure temperature. In the United States, we use Fahrenheit. In other countries, we use Celsius, and the Kelvin scale is used by scientists. For absolute zero, that means it's the lowest temperature possible. Particles have no, nada, nothingness, and kinetic energy. Now, let's look at my cup of coffee here. The particles are warm. They're moving quickly, so they have high kinetic energy. But if I wanted to slow them down and cool them off, I would drop ice into my coffee. And that's a lot of ice. And those would slow those particles down, which would lower the amount of kinetic energy. But, so what is thermal energy, you ask? Thermal energy. It is the total energy of all particles in an object. It depends on temperature of the object and the number of particles in that object. So the more particles, then the more thermal energy. Before I leave you for the day, let's see if we can answer this question. Which of these options, choice A or choice B, has more thermal energy? Well, the temperature is the same, but which option has more particles? Choice A has 2 cups of coffee and choice B has 1. There are more particles on this side of the counter than there are on this side of the counter. So choice A has more thermal energy than choice B. And that is all that we have time for today on Wacky Word Wednesday, the Science Edition. Oh, I thought you were going to put it on my face. Welcome back. 0, where scientists perform.
Really?
What is a reference point? It's the point. I burped.
Come on.
You ready? Already.
Okay, go.
Okay, you gotta pause.